So here's something that a lot of us might be struggling with. How to avoid YouTube burnout. Or more specifically, how do you keep staying consistent, especially for a DIY channel or a how-to channel? You know, really it's tough. It's tough being, having a full-time job but still trying to be consistent on YouTube. I film every weekend. I film during the week. I edit whenever I can. I wake up 5 o'clock on Saturday mornings and I'm usually editing for a couple hours right away before the rest of the family gets up. It takes a commitment to stay consistent with YouTube. I don't want to lose that momentum. It was really tempting for me this week to say, you've been really good, you can skip a week. I don't want to do that. I don't want to skip a week. I really am focused to try and grow this channel, help as many people as I can, share my knowledge with others. So this week's video is about me asking, some advice. Any of you other small YouTubers that are doing this part-time, how do you stay consistent? What tips can you give me or give anybody else that's watching? Please leave them in the comments. Because DIY channels or how-to channels, it takes a lot of prep time. It takes a lot of time to actually build the project that you're filming, and then you have all them, many hours of footage that you have to go and edit, narrow it down. I upload videos because I just love making videos. I like showing people how to do things. I like helping people out. That's why I do it. But I'm also trying to grow my channel, grow my audience, create that community. A small creator that does this part-time to consistently post at least one video a week is a very tough challenge to do. And now that I've done it 21 weeks in a row, I don't want to lose that streak. And that's what's keeping me motivated. I want to make sure that I keep that streak going. So when I was about to not post this week, I had just about given up because I had nothing planned. And that's when I saw Peter McKinnon's video titled For All Creators. That gave me some inspiration to at least do something. Even if it's not, one of my project videos or a how-to video, at least every week I want to put out a video, even if it means just picking a topic and talking about it. So after seeing his video, I got motivated to try and get a video up this week. And that's when I decided to make this video. I want to ask other creators, other small, DIY type channels. I want to hear how you do it. So leave a comment down below if you could. Let's get a conversation going on this. Well, thanks for watching my video. Maybe this will inspire somebody else too to get out there and keep going on their channel. Even if it's a video like this, just pick a topic and talk about it for 2 or 3 minutes. Just something to keep your channel going, keep yourself motivated to keep at it. Stay being consistent at uploading your videos. Hey, I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to post a few videos up here in the card. This playlist right here will get some of my favorite videos if you want to see them. So see you in the next one. Thanks.